The RingConn Gen 3 is marketed as a next-generation smart ring that supposedly delivers advanced health tracking and long battery life in a tiny form factor. But the real question is it actually better than a smartwatch, or is it just a smaller version of one? Now, to be fair, smart rings have improved dramatically in recent years. Devices like the RingConn Gen 3 can track many of the same health metrics as smartwatches while being significantly less intrusive. What it does well: comfortable to wear 24/7. This is one of its biggest advantages. Many people find a lightweight ring easier to wear continuously than a smartwatch. Excellent sleep tracking. Smart rings are particularly well suited for overnight wear, making sleep monitoring one of their strongest features. Where the hype falls apart: it is not a full smartwatch replacement. This is the biggest issue. A smart ring cannot offer the same screen-based experience as a smartwatch. No large display. You cannot easily view notifications, maps, messages, or workout data directly on the ring. Fitness tracking may be less comprehensive. Many smartwatches provide more detailed workout metrics and real-time exercise feedback. So, is the RingConn Gen 3 better than a smartwatch? Short answer: for sleep tracking, comfort, and battery life, it may be better. For notifications, apps, workouts, and smart features, a smartwatch still wins. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.